Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I show you another way to make your delicious cheese stuffed garlic bread. In my large mixing bowl, I'll go ahead to add in my warm milk, some instant active yeast, some white powdered sugar, and after adding, I'll go ahead to use my spatula to stir it and make sure it mix everything together. I'm not going to be allowing this to proof for about 10 minutes since I'm using instant active yeast. I'll go ahead to sieve in my flour. Make sure you always sieve your flour to make sure there is no any unwanted particles in your dough. And after I'm done sieving in my flour, I'll go ahead to add in some salt and also some melted butter. And after that, I'll use my spatula to mix both the dried and the wet ingredients together. So I'm going to continue mixing with my spatula until I form a dough ball shape. You can also use your hand to mix, anyone which you find more comfortable. And after I'm done mixing, I'll go ahead to cover my dough with a cling film, allow it to rest for about 1 hour. So 1 hour later, I'm going to go ahead to unwrap my dough. And after that, I will place my dough on my rolling mat. Then I'll go ahead to cut my dough into smaller portions. So after I'm done cutting my dough into smaller portions, I'll go ahead to take out one of the cut dough, then make a ball shape with it. I'm going to continue to repeat the same process until I finish the rest of the cut dough. After forming a ball shape with the cut dough, I'll go ahead to cover it with my cling film or kitchen towel. Then I'll allow it to rest for about more 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, I'll unwrap it, then take one portion of the ball dough. I'll use my rolling pin. You can also use your palm to flatten your dough. And after I'm done flattening my dough, I'll go ahead to add some crumbled cheese on it. After adding it, I will wrap the dough, make a ball shape with the dough. Continue to repeat the same process until you finish the rest of the dough. Please, my amazing viewers, don't forget to join my YouTube membership to become part of this amazing family and also see all my exclusive videos and other benefits that follows. So next I'm going to go ahead to arrange my dough ball on my oven rack. So while arranging my shaped dough on my oven rack, I'll also go ahead to switch on my oven and allow it to preheat for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after I'm done arranging, I'll go ahead to place my dough in my oven and allow it to bake for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll take it out. While waiting for my dough to bake for 10 minutes, I'll go ahead to prepare my garlic mix. Here I have my melted butter. I will add some crushed garlic and also some parsley leaf, some black pepper. After that, I'm going to stir and mix everything together. Then I'll set it aside. So 10 minutes later, I'll take out my bread from the oven. Then I'm going to brush it with my garlic mixture. One more thing guys, after you take out your bread from your oven, make sure you do not turn off your oven. Next, I'm going to top my garlic bread with some extra cheese, and after that I'll place my garlic bread back in my oven, allow it to bake for about more 10 minutes. So guys, 10 minutes later, I'll go ahead to take out my garlic bread from the oven. As you can see, my garlic bread is ready now. It looks so yummy and delicious, guys. Don't forget to try this recipe at home, and also tell me what you think about the recipe in the comment section. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and also support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker. See you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.